Hello everyone. I'm Swetha, working as a senior Salesforce developer at InnoValleyWorks. In today's video, we'll explore how Salesforce integrates with SharePoint to retrieve voice call recordings and generate actionable insights. In this integration, Salesforce and SharePoint work together by automating the process of fetching files from SharePoint and linking them to Salesforce records, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Once the call recordings are fetched, the system automatically triggers the Voice Call Record Generation API and uploads the file onto the Voice Call Record object, which generates insights for the uploaded voice call. Let's first take a look at how this integration works, using a button-click approach for retrieving recorded files. With this setup, users can automatically fetch files from SharePoint for a specific account, only when they're ready. It's a customizable workflow. The button functionality can be modified to meet specific criteria, so files are retrieved only when certain conditions are met. Here's how the setup works. Named credentials. These are used to securely store SharePoint authentication details within Salesforce, making integration management easier and more secure. SharePoint API Handler class. This Apex class handles all API calls to SharePoint securely, ensuring smooth and reliable communication between the two systems. Batch process. When the button is clicked, a batch process runs to retrieve the list of files from SharePoint. This batch then calls another batch, which is responsible for creating the voice call records in Salesforce and uploading the corresponding recordings. Let's take a quick look at the demo. In SharePoint, a voice call recording site was created, and 2 recording files were added to it, each named with the corresponding contact name for easy identification. In Salesforce, I've added a custom button called Retrieve from SharePoint. When clicked, it retrieves the recording files stored in SharePoint and stores them in Salesforce. These files are then automatically linked to the corresponding account record. Once the button is clicked, Salesforce displays a success message confirming that the files have been successfully retrieved from SharePoint. Additionally, a new SharePoint media information record is created in Salesforce. This record stores all the key details pulled from SharePoint, including the web URL, download URL, and file metadata such as the file name, file type, and file size. The integration maps these files to the account record in Salesforce by matching the contact name embedded in the file name. Once the SharePoint media information record is created, the next batch process is automatically triggered. This process creates a new voice call record in Salesforce and uploads the retrieved recording file to it. As soon as the file is uploaded, Einstein Conversation Insights is activated, generating valuable insights from the voice call, such as keywords, sentiment analysis, and engagement details, helping sales and support teams better understand and act on customer interactions. In conclusion, this integration between Salesforce and SharePoint brings together automation, efficiency, and powerful insights, all in one seamless workflow. From retrieving voice call recordings to generating actionable insights with Einstein Conversation Intelligence, everything is streamlined to enhance customer engagement and decision-making. If you're looking for a solution that centralizes your data and unlocks real-time conversation intelligence, this is truly a game changer. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Salesforce innovation.